Hi team, welcome to this video which is a relatively low-tech description or example to 4 key kind of percentage skills. Now I'm going to go through this pretty quickly because they're 4 you should know, and then you've got a sheet to practice today. After yesterday's announcement, we're still working out exactly what it's going to look like for you guys for the rest of this year, but same thing, right? It's worth us making sure that these key skills are solid before we then move on to other things next week. So we're going to start with percentage change. Now we should remember that percentage change, we've got a formula for it. The percentage change is the new value, take away the old value, divide it by the old value, and then multiply by 100. Okay, so I'm going to show us an example of this. So I'm going to give you a second just to read this question. Now, as per normal, we need to collect the information from the question before we start. Okay, let me just move this down so I've got somewhere to work. We've got that the cost of coat is £130 in the sale. Now that means that that's our new value. Okay, so £130 is going to be my new value. I've got an original price of £162.50, so that's going to be my old value. Okay, simple as that. Now it's the new value because it's the thing after whatever change has happened. So that means I can say that the percentage change is new, which is 130, take away old, which is 162.50, divided by 162.50, and then multiplied by 100. Okay, I'm going to use a calculator for this one, and this one's relatively easy, so you can do it on a phone calculator if you need to. If I can go 130 minus 162.50 divided by 162.50 times by 100, and I get negative 20. Now negative 20%. Now it depends a little bit on how the question's asked. This one asks for the percentage reduction, so it's just going to be 20%. Okay, the negative is telling us that it's gone down from the old to the new. Okay, so it's telling us it's gone down. If this was 20%, it would mean that this had gone up. Okay, so we should get the negative here because we know that the change it's gone down. So that's percentage change. Next up is percentage increase or decrease, the same process, and we're pretty good at these now. Percentage increase or decrease. I'm going to increase 140 by 25%. 2 methods here. Okay, I'm going to go through both of them. I'll do them on each side. So this is method 1, and this is the kind of non-calculator method. 140 is 100%. I want to get 25% of it, which is divide by 4. So I need to divide by 4 here as well. Okay, 140 divided by 4, while I quickly do that in my head, is 35. Okay, so that means 125% equals 140 plus 35. Sorry. Okay, 175. Easy as that. Now, method 2 is the kind of calculator method. You probably wouldn't use it for something this easy. Okay, but if I'm increasing 140 by 25%, I know that I'm going to need 100% plus 25%, which gives me 125%. To find a multiplier, so this is my calculator way, to find a multiplier I need to do 125 divided by 100, 1.25, and then all I need to do is 140 multiplied by 1.25, and again I'm going to get 175. Okay, and I can check that with a calculator if I want to. So 140 times by 1.25. 175. Perfect. Part 3. Sorry, my slightly low-tech bit gets complicated now. Reverse percentage. So I've got a percentage has happened. How do I go backwards to the original value? Temperature of water increases by 5% to 73.5 degrees centigrade. What was the original temperature? First thing here, this is the one that's really different. We have to get the first bit right. It's increased by 5% to this value, so I've got 105% is equal to 73.5 degrees C. Now if I get that bit right, then the rest is easy. Okay, the original temperature, I want to find the original temperature, which is 100%. Okay, so again, we're going to be dividing. Numbers look complicated, but we can use a calculator when we've got complicated numbers like this. 105%, I want to get down to some kind of building block. Okay, easiest one is probably just 1%. To do that, I'm going to divide this by 105. Do not subtract, that's the key mistake. Do not subtract, we're going to divide it. So I'm going to divide this by 105 as well. I'm going to do that on a calculator. 73.5 divided by 105. It's a horrible number. Oh, so it's 0.7, okay? To get from 1% to 100%, I times it by 100. So do the same here. And I get 70, okay? Should be able to do that in your head, but you can check on a calculator if you want to. So 70. Now this, we've got context. 70 degrees C, okay? Final answer, okay? Key thing here is get this bit right. If you got this bit right, the division and then multiplication is nice and easy. Go down to 1%, go back up again. If this had decreased by 5%, this would say 95, okay? So we're always going to be referencing 100 originally. Okay, last one to go through is part D, which is compound interest. We recapped this just before Christmas, so it should be nice and easy. Dylan invests £120 at an interest rate of 6%. What is this worth after 4 years? So I have £120 invested, and I want to find I've got an interest rate. If ever we're talking about an interest rate, okay, if ever I'm talking about an interest rate, straight away I want to find a multiplier. Okay, it's an interest rate, so it's going up. So I've got 100% plus 6%, which is the interest rate, and that's 106%. Okay, to find a multiplier, I need to do 106 divided by 100, 1.06. Once I've got this multiplier, it's then easy calculator work. 120 multiplied by the multiplier, 1.06, but it happens for 4 years, okay, to the power of 4. Plug that into a calculator. Oh, I've done that wrong. Is that 151? Now, I'm working with money, so I need to round this up to 2 decimal places, okay? This 7 will make this into 50, okay? So £151.50. Sorted. Okay, easy. Have a go at the sheet attached, please. Any questions, let me know, as always. Good luck.